In this guide, I'm going over how stat rerolls work here in Sailor Peace on Roblox. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. If at any point throughout this guide you had any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we could help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now, stat rerolls let you spend gems to upgrade your stats like damage, crit chance, luck, and so much more. And these boosts actually stack with your gear, so they are a huge part of overall power. To reroll your stats, what you need to do is actually go to any of the teleporters around the map. So I'm going to start farming for 1 second. Go to the teleporter, interact with it, and you need to go to Sailor Island, just like so. You can even just go directly to the stat reroll NPC just by selecting stat reroll. Go here, and it's going to take you to the stat reroll master, just like so. Interact with them, and essentially you could just reroll using gems, just like so. And what you're going for are either SS, SSS, or Z, since they give you the highest boost. There's also an auto roll option which keep going until you do hit the tier that you want, but the drop rate matters so much. SS is so rare and SSS is super rare, and of course Z is rarer than that. There's no pity for Z, but you are guaranteed an SS after 200 rolls and triple S after 500 rolls. For priorities though, focus on luck since it does improve your drops. After that, go for damage, cooldown reduction, and stuff like that. You can also individually roll certain aspects until you get especially whatever you want. Like, there we go, we just got an S, so we're going to move on. But that really is the entire process. If you guys had any questions, ask them down in the comment section below and we could help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.